Hey guys, how to cancel Malwarebytes free trial before you get charged? Watch this first. So if you're starting your Malwarebyte right here, and you got your free trial, as you can see mine, I didn't get charged after the free trial because it already gave me the free trial without me adding a payment method. But if ever you started the payment method, you can just cancel it directly from the Malwarebytes website, or you can just go to Google Play Store if Android, or Apple Store if iPhone or iPad. And if you want to know how to use cancel subscription, you can watch it on other videos here on the channel. And cancel through your malware account. You can cancel to your malware account. Just open up your malware account portal, which I'll be showing you guys. I'll see you guys in a few seconds. There you go. There we go. So all it just go to our malware right here, and then we don't have an account, so yeah. So once you sign in your account right here, once you sign in, just go to your subscriptions and billing. You'll see your subscription and billing right there. But as you see right now, it doesn't show me that because I haven't made an account right here. But yeah, you can see it over there. Or if ever you will receive notification on your email, so you can cancel it. Yeah. Those are the ways that you can do it. You can cancel your subscription right here. Let's just try to sign in with our Google. There you go. So we just have to wait for a few seconds. Continue. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Now once we're here, as you can see right now, there you go. So here, click on settings, and then here at the settings, we have ourselves a few stuff. You can delete our account as well right here. And here you will see my subscription. Here, there you go. You see all the subscription that you've subscribed. All you need to do is cancel it once your subscription is now, and then you're done. So yeah, that's how easy it is. So yeah, canceling your Malwarebytes free trial only takes a few minutes, but verifying that auto renewal has been disabled is the most important step. Once confirmed, you can continue using the trial until it expires without worrying about the unexpected charges, guys. So there you guys have basically the question. If you want a question, concerns, have the question below, guys. Up to us as soon as possible. And thank you, guys.